Hi, I'm Elly Lark. I hope you're having a fresh and cozy day. Today, I'm getting things sparkling with a little home appliance cleaning, starting with the TV and LCD screens. In this vlog, I'm sharing how I clean some of the most used electronics around the house, like the TV, LCD, and screen surfaces, to keep them dust-free and looking brand new. It's one of those mini tasks that feels super satisfying once it's done, and I love turning it into a chill moment with music, wipes, and good vibes. Whether you're doing a full room clean or just resetting your space, come along and hang out with me as we get things fresh and shiny. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more soft girl home vibes and daily routines with me, Elly.